Hi, in this video, I will explain you an amazing tool called Canva, which will help you to create professional banners for your website and social media. So let's check how you can use Canva to do the basics things for your website for free. Let's check the video out. Okay, let's go to canva.com and click on login. And from here, you can continue with your Google account or Facebook, or you can register using an email address. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Google account for login. Okay, now I log in, and here you can see different type of designs that you can create. Okay, you can create presentation, social media, video, and marketing stuff in different categories. Okay, and you can also so let's go to social media, and you can see the popular type of banner sizes. Okay, and if you go to Instagram, you can also see the different types of different sizes for the banners used in Instagram. And if you click on Facebook also, you can see different images which is used in Facebook. Okay, so I will show you using Instagram. Okay, if you click on this, and I'm going to create an Instagram post. Okay, so just click on the Instagram post. Okay, when I click on this, I will be able to see different templates which are available within that size. Okay, I can see that in the left side. So, for example, if I need to add a banner for a particular occasion, I can just do that. Okay, so I'm just going to select a sales banner. Okay, so I'm going to select a sales banner here. Okay, so just click on spring sale. Even you can search for the template here. Okay, so you can just click on this, and you will be able to use only. Now I'm using the free version, so I cannot use the pro templates available. Okay, I cannot use the free templates. Okay, so let's go to the free template now. Okay, now just select this template, and I can just I can just play with this one. Okay, so I'm just going to add my store name, or I'm going to add okay, XYZ fashions. Okay, and I'm going to remove these things. Okay, and I can click on the elements. Okay, and I can find the vector images for this one. I'm going to remove this. Okay, and I'm going to add this image alone. Okay, so now I'm done. Okay, so this is how you can play with the Canva. Okay, so it's a simple tool which will help you to create banners. Okay, so now after designing my banner, I can just click on the share, and I can just click on download, and I can download it in the PNG format. Okay, just click on that, and you will be able to download this banner. Okay, so this is the free version which I'm using now, and it's very affordable to use the pro version. Even if you click on that, you'll be able to see that the yearly plan which comes around 439 or $50 dirhams per month, which is more affordable for most of the people. Okay, so it's having a lot of features. Okay, so it's having tons of images even, so you can also get access to all of the images in the pro plan. Some of them are not available within the free plan, so it's better to go for the paid plan if this tool is helpful for you. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.